Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is Iraqi edition. As I live in Iraq, and this is my new channel to do tips for you. I hope you guys enjoy my videos and my comparison and speed test between the phones and unboxing. I hope you enjoy them, and please don't forget to subscribe my new channel, because that will be a real support for me. Now let's unbox the Galaxy Note 9. As you can see, this is 128 gigs of memory. 512 gigs. I think it's not available here in Iraq, and this is it's dual SIM. Now let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As you can see, this is a regular paper, I think, with a SIM ejector tool, and you also get a case, which is nice of them, just like Huawei doing here, this clever step. Now let's open the Galaxy Note 9. As you can see, this is a dual camera, same as Galaxy S9 Plus, I think, but the fingerprint is now in the bottom. I think the main camera is dual aperture with the second camera, and this is 6.4 inch. Now let's boot up the phone. As you can see, this is the box also. Let's see what we got. I think this is the old fast charge. I think it's quick charge 2.0. I wish Samsung includes some new sort of fast charge, but they didn't. And you can see this is I think USB type A to USB type C for joystick or keyboard or mouse or even flash disks. You can use them. And this is the old micro USB converter to USB type C, as you can see. Let's see what we got also. This is the USB type C cable to charge and transfer data, and this is some headphone, I think plastic, you can change them. And this is the Note 9 S Pen ejector for the S9, and you can see this is and I see this is the AKG headphone. I think it's new, maybe it's new, or even just like the Galaxy S8 or S9 Plus. And as you can see, this is all. Now let's see the phone. As you can see, guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with the best screen I have ever seen, and I think this is the best screen in the world, as you can see. And this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel to see the new videos that are coming. We will do comparison between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Huawei P20 Pro, and the Note 9 with the Galaxy S9 Plus, 64 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of RAM, to see the difference between the storage. That's it's make matter, just like Apple did before. And also Galaxy S9 Plus with the Huawei P20 Pro, and also some other phones. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will be support for me to do a new videos and help you guys to see the brands, smartphones and other tech videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my new channel. I hope you guys good day. Thanks for watching. That's all.